Good morning and Assalamualaikum students, fellows. Hope you fine. And now we will do future continuous tense because our previous lecture future continuous tense with the translation, definitions, recognition in Urdu and English. So please subscribe me, like and share with the all grammar lectures and sharing me in comments. So let's start negative and interrogative sentences. Some example of and how making to interrogative and negative sentences. So let's see. Yes, negative sentences or interrogative sentences. For making negative sentences, the use of future continuous tense, the use of shall be and will be. And the interrogative sentence, we use shall or will at the start of sentence, and then the use of subject, and then the use of be, and then first form of verb including ing, and then object. Okay, so let's here is some sentences. सुनार जेवर तैयार नहीं कर रहा होगा, and you see that नहीं. Okay, the goldsmith will not be making, yes, the ornaments. Making will not, the use of will not be. Okay, the goldsmith will not be making ornaments. And the next alternate, the goldsmith will not be making the gold jewelry. Okay, ornaments, that's mean gold jewelry, and it's replaced to gold jewelry. वो सुलह नहीं कर रहे होंगे. And here is negative and interrogative. I same to negative and interrogative, the use of interrogative. In a simple way, we use will in the start of sentence. Will the goldsmith be making the ornaments? At the end, question marks. Okay, and the next, वो सुलह नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not be, yes, making peace. They will not be making peace. The use of will not, and then the use of be, and then first form of verb, and then object. Okay, and the next interrogative sentence, क्या वो सुलह कर रहे होंगे? तो now we use to will or shall in the start of sentence, and here is will they be making peace. Okay, and the next, सितारे चमक नहीं रहे होंगे. The star will not be shining. Here is will not be shining. Okay, and क्या सितारे चमक रहे होंगे? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, क्या सितारे चमक रहे होंगे? Yes, will the star be shining? Will the stars be shining? At the end of question. Okay, and the next sum. यस, बच्चे सो नहीं रहे होंगे. द चिल्ड्रन विल नॉट बी स्लीपिंग. ओके, एंड द इंट्रोगेटिव, will the children be sleeping? And the next, ओके, एंड द लास्ट, शोबाज ट्रिक नहीं दिखा रहा होगा. नेगेटिव, एंड क्या शोबाज ट्रिक दिखा रहा होगा? एंड इट्स फॉर यू. So please comment me in a words, translate in a English. So I hope you will understand negative or interrogative sentences. So thank you so much.